Everyone. So we'll do question number 7 of October 2023. So come, let's start the question. Yep. Okay, so let's first read and understand the question. Yeah. Okay, so here is the questions. The question here, let's moment. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So first, let us read and understand the question. The curve has an equation. Okay, so here the curve has an equation. Y is equivalent to f of x, and where x is greater than 0, and also it is given that f dash of x, which is equivalent to 4x square plus 10x 10 minus 7x raised to 1 over 2 divided by 4x to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, so the points are given here, which is 4 and negative 1, which lies on the curve C. Okay, all right, so the curves, okay, let us first solve for part A. For part A, let's write down the given equation. So which is what is the curve? The equation of the curve is given by f dash of x, which is equivalent to 4x squared plus 10 minus 7x raised to 1 over 2 divided by 4x raised to 1 over 2. So this is the given equation, right? So now you need to plug these values. So they have given the points, right? So this is the points which is given to no, 4 comma negative 1, and then this is our x value, and this would be our y value. So our x value would be equivalent to 4, and then y value would be equivalent to negative. So that is the coordinates, that is the point C. So for example, if this is the curve, all right, and then they have given the curve which is y is equivalent to f of x, and then they have the tangent. For the given curve, we have a tangent which is touching at the one point of the circle. So that equation y is equivalent to f of x. All right, so f dash of x is which is given. All right, so now here the points which is okay, so we have to find the value of the gradient of C at P. Okay, so we have to find the value of this curve, the gradient of this curve at P. So P, we can see here the value of X is 4. So we'll plug the value of X is 4 everywhere. So that is how the first question will get the answer for the part A. So here we will substitute 4. X value is 4. All right. So wherever you see the X value, you plug the value of X is 4. And then plus 10 minus 7, x value again, plug it 4, and then raised to 1 over 2, and then you can write 4 x raised to, okay, so again x value, you need to plug the value of x, 4 the power of 1 by 2, and then you can see the calculator, which already I have typed the this is how you need to type in the calculator. So and then when you press equals button, all right, so you'll get the value of x is 15 over 2. Okay, so this will be the answer for part A. You can directly substitute the given answer. Okay, if you type it out in the calculator, you'll get this answer 15 by 2. So what will be the answer for part A? So for part A, the answer would be 15 over 2. So that would be our gradient. Okay, so which is m. Okay, so gradient of the tangent, which is mt, which is 15 by 2. So now let us solve the part B. Okay, so what does the part B says? Hence, find the equation of the normal to C at P. So give your answer in the form of ax plus by plus c. Okay, where a, b, c are integers to be found. All right. So here, so what is the given equation? So we have the, okay, so we need to know what is the equation of the normal from IGCSE. It's a basic concept. If you don't know still the equation of normal, still you can write it. So let me write down equation of normal. So we know that what is the equation of normal? Equation of normal, that would be x minus, okay, so y minus y1, right? My bad. What would be our equation of normal? Which would be y minus y1 equivalent to the negative slope of the normal, and then x minus x1. So we know already the value of x1 and y1. So what is our point P, which is x1 is 4, and then what is our value of y1, which is going to be -1. So this is given, the point P which is given, which is 4 and -1 from the question. If you don't know, you can just take an idea. Okay. All right. So here the x value is 4 and then y1 value is -1. So we need to plug those value, and also we need to find mn. So we know for parallel lines, right? So it would be m1 and m2, which is equal to -1. So which is m t mn. So that is gradient of the tangent and the gradient of the normal, which is equal to negative slope. And then what would be our gradient of normal? Then that would be equivalent to negative of mt. So which we already know that equation of the tangent from the previous part, which is 15 over 2. So here negative 15 over 2, which would be reciprocal. Okay, so negative reciprocal. So 2 upon 15. So that is what we got the value of our equation of tangent, that the normal. Okay, so here which would be mn will be the normal. Okay, so this value of mn. So y minus, what is our y1 value? -1. And then what is our mn value, which is the gradient of normal, which is -2 upon 15. We need to plug that value, and then what is our x value? X1 value would be 4. Okay, so now let us solve this given equation, which is going to be y minus times minus is +1, which is equivalent to, so first let me multiply this 15 over here. Yeah, so and then we'll get negative 2 times x is going to be 2x, and then negative times negative is positive 8. So now we got this equation to be 15y plus 15 equivalent to negative 2x, negative 2 plus 8, right? And then now finally we'll solve this further. What we will get is 15. So I'll bring this 2x on the other side because we need our answer in the form of ax plus by plus c, right? So for that, I'm going to write down this 2x on the other side, and then I can plus 15y, and then 15 plus 15, and then this 8 will be on the other side. It will be -8, which is equivalent to 0. So our answer should be in the form of ax plus by plus c. All right, so now it will be 2x plus 15y, and then what is 15 minus 8, which is going to be 7, right? So that will be plus 7 equivalent to 0. Okay, so this would be our answer for part B. So what is our answer for part B? That would be part B. Our answer will be 2x plus 15y plus 17. Okay, plus 7. Okay, so answer for part B, 2x plus 15y plus 7 equivalent to 0. So this would be our answer for part B. Okay, so I hope it is very clear. So now let's move on to the question. Okay, so this is part A, not answer for part B. It is A sub part 2. Okay, and then now we have to find the value of f of x. So if you remember, okay, so whenever we have given f dash x, right, and f of x, so and then if we just, okay, f dash x to f of x. Okay, if you wanted to convert f of x to f dash x, just differentiate it. Okay, and then f dash x to f of x, just integrate it. Okay, so whenever you see here, it's very clear that whenever you wanted to, if the f dash x is given, if you want to find f of x, then it's simple, you have to integrate it. And then whenever there is f of x given, if you wanted to find f dash x, then you have to differentiate. So this is very important. Okay, so here it is given f dash x, we need to find f of x, which means this is rule number 2, this is rule number 1. Okay, so it's very clear that whenever f dash x is given, if you wanted to find f of x, then you must integrate it. Okay, so it's very clear. So f dash to f of f dash x to f of x would be integrated. So it's very clear, I hope. So now we will start integrating this. Okay, given equation, which will be little simple. Yep. So let's begin here. So f dash x. Okay, so which is given to be 4x square by plus. Okay, I would write individually, so I can write a upon b. Okay, so I'll rewrite this x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 10 by 4x raised to 1 by 2. I did not start integrating it. I'm just writing down the given equation. Minus 7 by 4 x raised to 1 over 2 and x raised to 1 over 2. And now, okay, so we can see this 4 would cancel out with this 4. And then we can take this negative 1 over 2 to the exponential form. So 2 minus 1 over 2. And then plus this, I can write a 10 over 4 as 5 upon 2, the simplest fraction. And then this, I will take it to the numerator. It should be x raised to 1 over 2. And then negative of 7 over 4. And this would be cancelled out. Okay, so this is our f dash x in the simplest form. So to avoid the fraction, I just divided each one of them with the given equation. All right. So now, okay, so to integrate it, so we just have to write down the given equation. Yeah. So whatever we got it, this I can make it simpler. So 2 minus 1 over 2, if you type it out that in the calculator, we get 3 over 2 plus 5 upon 2 x raised to negative 1 over 2 minus 7 over 4. So now we will integrate it. Okay, so basically to find f of x, which is equal to integration. Okay, so whenever we integrate x raised to 3 upon 2 and plus integration of, okay, so dx should be compulsory. So we need to integrate everything. Yeah, yeah, plus 5 upon 2 x raised to negative 1 over 2 minus 7 over 4. So whenever we integrate it, we get dx. Okay, so don't forget to write this dx. It's mandatory. If you don't write dx, your answer, there will be method marks. You will lose some marks here. Okay, so I don't want you to lose anything. Okay, so now, okay, so integrated. So what is the integration of x raised to n, which is going to be x raised to n plus 1? Just to add 1 to the both numerator and as well as denominator. So using this simple equation, now we will x raised to n, right? So this is in the format of x raised to n. So we'll just add, so 3 over 2 plus 1 and then x raised, okay, so and then just you can write 3 over 2 plus 1. Yeah, and then plus this would be 5 by 2 is a constant, and then we can just write down this integration of 5 over 2 x raised to 1 by 2. This would be again x raised to plus 1, add plus 1, and then x raised to um, yeah, okay, so plus 1, yes, and then minus 7 over 4. So integration of constant dx would be just x. So this is after integration, we got this equation. Now we'll simplify this, and then plus c is very important. So if you don't write plus c, it's an integration constant. So we must write plus c always, and then we have to find the value of c also in this equation. Yep. So now x raised to, so what is 3 by 2 plus 1, which will be 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus, so this would be 2, no, this would be, okay, 1 minus half is half, so that could be, okay, let's rewrite that. So this 1 over this could be replaced with 1 over 2, so then 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and then we can write it as okay, 5 x raised to this would be again 1 minus half would be half, yep, by 1 negative minus 7 by 4 x plus c. And then it's very clearly given that in the question, that is we need to substitute the value of uh, to find the value of c, we need to say that what is our f of x, right? So here we can substitute the value of to find the value of c, right? So we must substitute the value of f of x, right? So we have to substitute, find it, the value of c, that is given to be, okay, so what is our f of x? So f of x is given to be the value of y1 is our f of x. So f of x is what? Our value of y1, which is -1. So -1 equal to, you must know, okay, why did you substitute here -1, which is given in the question? The point P is what? 4 and -1. So this will be our y1 value. Okay, so f of x in the, it's given in the curve, that is y is equivalent to f of x, right? So what is our y value in that case? It will be -1. Okay, so I hope it is very clear now. Okay, so x value I can substitute 4, right? So 4 raised to 5 by 2 by, this would be 2 by 5 minus 5. What is our x raised to 1 over 2? X value would be again 4 to the power of 1 by 2 minus 7 upon 4, and then again x value is going to be 4 plus c. Okay, so if you solve this for the value of c, right? So just solve this, type down this in the calculator. If this is not clear, I can rewrite this very neat and clean. Just this would be 2 upon 5, 4 raised to x to the power of 5 by 2, right? 4 raised to 5 by 2. So if you type down this in the calculator, we'll get the value of c, that would be -84 by 5. Okay, so and then we'll substitute the given equation, which is in this equation. Okay, so we'll have to substitute in the given f of x equation. So finally, so we can write down our final answer would be, so that would be 2 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus 5 x raised to 1 over 2 minus 7 over 4 x minus 84 by 5, because that is the value of c, right? This would be our f of x. And then also, if you wanted to write in a simplest form, 2 upon 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus 5 x raised to 1 over 2 can be written as root x, and then 7 over 4x minus 84 by 5. This could be our answer for part B, question 7. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So if you have any question, you can just ask me by WhatsApp number +971 52840 5194. So WhatsApp to this number. Thank you. Have a great day.